Today is day 8 in my diabetes journey. So if you're interested in seeing what happened today, you know what to do. Stick around. Good morning. Um, I'm early. I'm a little tired. I was awakened before I wanted to be with a phone call, but I'm getting ready to drink my breakfast. And as soon as I finish doing that and let all the medicines kick in, um, I'll start my more journey for the day. I kind of laughed at myself. I forgot to take my allergy pill yesterday and my hand swelled up. Yeah. So today I'm going to make sure I take my allergy pill. So I'll catch you when I start walking. Okay, y'all. I normally leave out the house a little earlier than this, but my son and daughter's here and we were talking, and now I have to get this walk in, and it's hot out here. So it's my own fault. It's hot. I guess the sun is up full blown this morning. But this is Houston, Texas, and we are bipolar here. So I've taken my Live Better drink. I've taken my allergy medicine this morning because yesterday I didn't take it. And if you didn't know, your girl is allergic to grass, to trees, and wildflowers. Yes, I'm allergic to outside. So yesterday, my small behind forgot to take it, and my hand swelled up bad. But I remembered to take it this morning because I wasn't going to let my hands be hurting again today. So today, my goal is to try to walk a full 2 miles. That's my goal. So I'm going to push some extra steps in to try to get it done today. I just want to accomplish that today. I know yesterday I was a bit long-winded yesterday and kind of agitated because I had to keep stopping the phone because I kept getting phone calls. And if anybody knows about those people calling you about insurance and Medicare, Medicaid, or whatever, they called me the time I was walking. I think I got 15 calls one way. Yeah. And I was so irritated and I kept blocking them and they would call from a different number. So by the time I got home, I had got about 25 phone calls. 25, yeah, phone calls from the people about Social Security and the people talking about the insurance. One lady even told me, I'm trying to help you. I said, if I called you, it'd be different. But I didn't call you. And I didn't look for no help. You called me. Don't know how you got my number, but I need you to take me off your list. She acted like I was taking something out of her hand. But, and then the camera was acting goofy when I was trying to cook. So it was a really crazy day yesterday. Hopefully I got the camera issue resolved. I put a memory card in my phone, which I should have been done. But it's one in there now. And hopefully that fixes some of my issue. It is a little hotter this morning than usual. But I'm out here still trying to get my walk on. I have to get my steps in. And by the time it gets cool enough to walk again, it's too dark. So I have to get this in, get it done. I passed my halfway mark. So, well, I passed the mark of the first day. So I will catch you guys when I get home. Okay, I walked farther than normal than yesterday. So I'm going to go in and get me a drink and cool down and then see what I walked for today. I'll see you later. I did my point today. I made 2.2 miles. I'm really proud of myself that I pushed that far. My ultimate goal for this week is to try to get as close as I can to 5,000 steps. So I'm almost there. And I did the 2 mile marker, which I'm really proud of myself for doing today. So let me know what you think down below of my 2 miles today. And next you'll see a little clip of what I cooked for dinner. Okay, this is how it turned out. I was going to make gravy, but I changed my mind. So it's a healthy meal with some shredded chicken breast, some green peas, and some loaded mashed potatoes. So all of it is diabetes friendly. And I'll see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you'll be blessed.